was a little girl, my grandpa would tell me these magical stories about the mountains in South Carolina. There was this one legend that I could never forget about witches gathering on top of Table Rock Mountain.
Grind the rocks to make the stew, crush them into powder, slowly pour it in the pot, and then we'll add the flowers. Stir it up, simmer down, stir it faster, faster. Here we stand upon the table, making soup for master.
But whenever I asked him if he'd ever seen anything magical in the mountains, he'd just smile at me and quote W.B. Yeats. The world is full of magic things, patiently waiting for our senses to grow sharper. I never really understood what this meant until I explored the woods for myself. The more I explored, the more I noticed that the signs were all around me. So I just wanted to say, thank you.